My name is Frank Patti, and we're down here at Patti Marine Enterprises, and we've got a 10-foot by 40-foot plasma table. We're capable from anything from 1/8-inch stainless steel all the way up to 2-inch carbon steel. It's got a 5-axis rotating head, so it's able to bevel, chamfer, plate up to a 50-degree angle. So we're able to cut stainless, aluminum, carbon steel. It actually uses water to cool and cut the stainless and aluminum. So we're able to cut holes precise is a 1-to-1 ratio with the plate thickness. So shoot us an email and we'd love to give you a quote.